Okay, so we've recently installed this Tesla Gen 3 charger. We got Pete from Solas Group to install our charger and also upgrade the switchboard because we were having quite an old switchboard system with ceramic fuse, which was also due for an upgrade. At our property, it's in the garage. As you can see, it's in a drive-in position. You know, pull the plug here. Yeah, and then just plug it in, and you can see here if it starts to charge, and it has, yeah, basically started to charge from the cable. But yeah, here's something I would like to tell you about the Amber's automation on charging a Tesla vehicle. So let's just get inside. Okay, so I have plugged in, but as you can see here, the charging says charging has stopped. And if I also go to the Tesla app, yeah, so if I go to the Tesla app, you can see that it's plugged in. You can see cable showing that it's plugged in, but it's not charging. And the main reason is I have something called Amber automation. If you are also an Amber customer, and if you go to devices, you've got something called automate EV charger. This one in particular, automate EV charging. So yeah, if you right now currently it works only with Teslas, but yeah, if you go to automate EV charging, and I have set up something like, you know, charge level as on, and here you can see there are three things. One is recovery charge percentage, recovery charge price in cents per kilowatt hour, and opportunity charge price in cents per kilowatt hour. So as you can see, the opportunity charge price for now is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. But if I go to the live prices, because Amber offers like live prices, the current live price is 16 cents, which means it exceeds my opportunity charge price. But I can edit this, and I can do 20, and then I can save it. But before doing that, I also wanted to tell you something about these recovery charge price, what recovery charge percentage and what recovery charge price is. As you can see, the current battery percentage is currently it's at 49%, which means it's over my recovery charge percentage. And another thing is recovery charge price, which means, let's say if the car is under this recovery charge percentage of 30%, cost of electricity at that point of time is 30 cents per kilowatt hour or less, then it won't care about the opportunity charge price, and then it will charge up to 30%, as long as the recovery charge price is 30 cents per kilowatt hour or less. So what I'll do right now is I'll set this to recovery charge price to 20, and then I will set the recovery charge percentage to 50, and let's see what happens. I'll just save it, and we'll see. Yeah, and automatically you can see immediately that it started charging. You can see the bar here, and yeah, that's mainly because it's below the recovery charge percentage, which I've set to 50. And also the live price currently is below the recovery charge price, which is 20. So what I'll do now is I will revert the recovery charge percentage to 30, and I will also revert this recovery charge price to, let's say, I'll just give it 25 for now. And if I save it, you can see the charging has stopped automatically. So right now it's 16 cents, which is fairly cheap. So what I'll do is I will go here, and I will set the opportunity charge price to 17, and then I'll save it, and then you can see that it has automatically started charging again. So yeah, it will now, based on what limit I've set on the car, it will start charging until it the car finishes going up to a charge reaches, the car reaches the charge limit. So I will set it to 100%. If I go back to the live price, I can see for 10 3 more hours. It's fairly cheap, so yeah, I'll just leave it as is. And yeah, and you can also see how much you spent in your charging sessions. So if you go here, so I think you can go somewhere to this graph, this little graph, and it will show you the recent charging session, how much you ended up paying. So yeah, on Tuesday, which is today, I've already paid 15 cents, but on Sunday I added 17% from, I think, 38 to 54, something like that. And the average price I paid was 9 cents per kilowatt hour, which is fairly cheap, and I ended up paying only 1.14 dollar for 13 kilowatt hour of charge from the grid. So yeah, I think this Amber automation is a very helpful thing. You don't need to keep on monitoring your cars, the electricity rate, peak and shoulder, etc., and doing it manually from the Tesla app. Rather, you can just automate this, and yeah, and just let Amber do everything. So yeah, there are a bunch of other things as well. So solar charging, home power setup, etc. I haven't explored all of this, but for today, yeah, I just wanted to let you know about how we set up this charger. Okay, so right now it's 2:45 p.m. still plugged in, and you can see this blue LED. The car is plugged in, but it's not charging because as you can see right now, the live price is 18 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's just get inside the car. Right, so I'm inside the car. As you can see, the charging has been stopped, and if we check the Amber app and if we go to the graph, then now we'll get to know how much we spent in the past few hours. So yeah, it added some 36% of charge. It added like 36% charge, and which is equivalent to 40.4. No, not 40.4. For today it added 27.32 kilowatt hour, and we ended up paying only 3.46 dollars, which is yeah, fairly cheap, because it was, as I'd said, to 17 cents in the weekends. When the price is fairly cheap, it usually goes up to if I go back here, go here on Sunday. On Sunday, the average price that we paid was 9 cents, because on weekends, during the day, it usually goes down to like 5-6 cents, and during that time it is quite cheap. So yeah, that was what I wanted to share, the home charging with Amber automation. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to put a comment, and also subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one.